Good morning, guys. Woo-woo. So this is the new camera. I like it so far. It's very light. It's awesome. But I'm gonna do a veggie garden with the new camera so you guys can check it out. It's sort of like an update. It's been a while. I don't have a lot of stuff, but at least you guys get to check out the camera and see what's going on with the garden. So if you like watching these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Life without coffee is no life. Alright guys, so first thing is first is the corn. So, the corn. Ugh, my corn. So my corn got beat up by the storm we had. So, some of it is growing, some of it is sideways. As you can see, some of it did lift up. Some of it is still struggling to lift up. So we're just leaving it alone for now. But the storm really did kill it. And as you can see, the side that we soaked is doing way better than the side where we did not soak the seed. So let me show you. You see, this is the side where we did not soak the seed. Now, I have a lot of tomatoes to pick up and to harvest. A lot of tomatoes. So these were the tomatoes that still were not ready when I cleaned up the place. So they're about turning. So I'm gonna grab them now. This one is empty, it's dead. And we got peppers. So I will show you the harvest when I'm done harvesting. And it is getting cold outside, so some of the stuff is kind of like dying. Winter is coming, I keep telling my husband. So let me put you somewhere really quick, and then I'll give you a tour after I am done. But everything is still here. Carrots we need to take a peek at. My ginger. More tomatoes. And the only thing I have over there is the sweet potato. So let me put you in the usual spot. May I? Can I? Can you see me? I think you can. I think you can. I'm gonna be over here picking up tomatoes. Alright guys, so I picked up most of the tomatoes. See, some of these are yellow tomatoes. And I picked up most of the peppers, so I picked up all the tomatoes that were good enough. Here's the canister. I picked up the cucumbers that I have. Some of these plants are dying due to the temperature, so I'm not sure if they'll harvest anymore. The tomato is still growing. The tomato plant, look. So tomato plants will continue to grow if you let them. Then I have these green peppers right here that are not big enough. I mean, this one looks pretty big. But I'm gonna wait. That one died. That plant right there died. This was hot peppers. And it did flower. I did see some growing, but nothing yet. So that would be for Lexton. He likes the hot peppers. This plant looked like it's almost dying as well. It's another sweet pepper. That is my sweet potatoes, which is still pretty good. I'm not gonna touch it. My cucumbers, I had 2 and I still got 1, 2 growing. I need to water it. I did have this spinach and I'm scared of eating. I'm not gonna eat it, because you know, you can die. Oh, there's another pepper right there. So I'm not gonna touch those yet. They still look like they're growing. My carrots, on the other hand, I'm not sure how to tell if there's actually a carrot. And I did read or saw a video that said that if you scrape around the side of your carrots, you should be able to see if you have a carrot growing. And I think I do. I mean, I do see it, but I don't know if it's a carrot or a rock. Because don't forget, I sort of messed up my plants with that dirt from the project we were doing. I mean, some of them did survive pretty well. Ooh, yeah, there is a carrot there. But some of them did not. And this is my ginger. I don't even know. I hear that the ginger, this has to die out when the ginger is done. So this is still growing. So my guess is so is the ginger. And oh my god, I got a carrot. Oh my god, I got a carrot. Let's see. I might need both hands for this one. Oh my god, I got a carrot. Alright, so we got 2 carrots. We will never starve to death in Tennessee. Even though, granted, technically I'm not supposed to have these with my new diet. But if I'm starving to death, trust me, I will be eating these. Here's the hot peppers, which look like they're dying. The plant is dying. So I'm going to water this. And that's it for today. I got carrots. I'm gonna go show Hobie my harvest. So here's the rest of the harvest. I got 2 more cucumbers, a few more sweet peppers, and a load of tomatoes. So I'm gonna move this out of the way, and we are gonna water my plants so we can get some more. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Let me put the camera to the side. I don't want you to get wet when I'm wetting my plants. But let's put you over here now. Gotta figure out the frame. I got carrots.
Okay. Tree?
What tree? Yeah, but some of them are still down. So I gotta water it.
Where you get carrots from?
This container.
Ah, good. Only one you made?
Two. Well, I put a bunch of seeds, but only two.
We get better.
Hey, I didn't have no corn last. I mean, no carrots or corn. And the corn,
open that box.
the corn looks pretty good.
Open that box. Yeah. Next year.
This is ginger, so I don't know yet because it's still no.
Next year, dude. One more year left.
Yeah, so I figure the corn just needs to be wet more often, I guess.
All right.
So we can lift up.
I'm moving to the front.
Okay. I'm coming.
Ready to go?
I'm coming as soon as I'm done here.
Yeah. Coming through. What?
It's to the tower.
Huh?
The tower.
Oh, what tower?
This tower.
The wall.
Whatever it's called.
The wall. Yeah, that's a nice carrot. Next weekend. Carrot. The wheelbarrow. Oh, hold on. I could still use the bin. I'm going to cannibalize the barrel. Cannibalize. I can use the I can use the bin. I can use the basin.
Okay.
I use the basin. Oh, come on. Don't look better. Don't look good. Jesus Christ.
What?
Oh. Look at the bread. Oh no, not the bread. The bread.
What?
The bread. The bread.
You did not break?
The bread. The bread. No. Smell something sweet.
Here.
Smell something.
What are you talking about? What?
I smell something.
Oh, I was going to say. I'm not doing that today.
Oh, shoot.
I don't know why you said that.
Cannibalize this.
We can pick up this pallet.
What?
We can have space here because most of those are empty and the season is almost done except for the corn. So we can put that somewhere else. You want like 3?
What?
It would have to be like 3.
Generally though.
Me neither, but I just smell gas. Is that you?
Yeah, that was.
I don't know, but we can leave this for another time. Maybe you can dump dirt in there.
Where?
We could dump dirt in there.
Anywhere.
In here.
I am. Okay, I don't want to go that far. Amber. It's up here.
We can dump dirt here, just don't go too high.
It's back here too.
But I'm gonna do the front first. Let me do the front first. Let me finish this first. Alright guys, So we put everything towards the wall because I still gotta water some. And I still gotta water the tomatoes and the corn, so we're gonna keep those there. But eventually we're gonna push these. We're pushing these over here to cover this, so nothing can grow there, I hope. And then these, we're leaving it because I still got 2 more cucumbers, even though it looks like it's dying, before I tear this little tower thing up. Might leave it just like that as well. I mean, no harm, no foul, I guess. But everything looks pretty good so far. And that's it. So, as we usually say, thank you for watching. God bless. And don't forget to subscribe. Oh, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys. I forgot to show you the progress we have in the front. Check it out. We finished our wall. And I put some mums in there. So we still have a pile of dirt that Campbell is trying to get out. We finished this wall. It looks so much better. We got to lower the other wall. And we're putting some dirt here to lower the ground. And we're going to put dirt there. And then we brought more stones to put here eventually when the dirt settles. But that's it. That's my wall, people. That's my wall. Don't it look pretty? Okay. Now I'm out. Deuces.